What's up everybody, it's Stock Picks by Tim, and in today's video I wanted to feature a couple of clips from Cleanspark's CFO Gary V. I'm not even going to attempt his last name because you guys are going to ridicule the shit out of me, but we've got a couple clips here and we're going to go into how Cleanspark's been expanding in a bear market, as we all know, and we're also going to go over a potential new accounting standard that could be a great thing for any companies that have or are considering having Bitcoin on their balance sheet. So let's get into these couple of clips. If you like these videos, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, check out the free stocks, check out the free Discord, and let's roll it.
We had the option to enter in future contracts with Bitmain and other mining manufacturers early this year and late last year at the cost of over $100 a terahash. But as you see on today's announcement, we acquired these 10,000 machines for about $28 a terahash, which is a huge discount. And we didn't really want to lock up a lot of capital in long-term contracts because we did feel like the market was getting a little top-heavy from a mining equipment perspective. And so by us just sitting on the sidelines and looking at our crystal ball, we've actually been able to acquire these miners for a much greater discount. Because of our capital strategy, we're selling Bitcoin to help finance our growth as well as our operations. And some of our peers took on large amounts of debt, where they may have had some margin calls and had to sell some mandatory sales of their Bitcoin. Right behind me, we have about 8 megawatts operational of immersion cooling, and we have about 1,500 machines or so that are overclocked right now, up and hashing. This site's going to have an additional 12 megawatts that's going to come on within the next weeks, and we'll have about 5,000 machines in total in immersion cooling when it's fully up and running. With respect to Texas, we're actually not up and running in Texas yet, but we did announce a deal with our partner Lancium, where we expect to have 200 megawatts of co-location hosting in the state of Texas first quarter of next year, and then we have an option for an additional 300 megawatts through December 31st of next year. So we look forward to participating in the Texas market.
And next up, let's hear Gary talk about this new accounting standard. This, in my opinion, has been somewhat slept on and not many people have talked about it.
The FASB, which stands for Financial Accounting Standards Board, recently announced that they are going to allow fair value accounting for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency on the balance sheet. It shows that there's major adoption of cryptocurrencies, and the FASB would only move to change rules if there were investors and readers of financial statements that were really interested in having more transparent information. Under the old rule, ASC 360, it would only show the lowest point in any given period of what that asset was worth. But now investors will be able to see how much the Bitcoin was worth as of the date of the balance sheet. And because of that, investors don't need to go digging through press releases or other disclosures to find out what the fair value is. Now the fair value will be posted on the face of the balance sheet.
Hope you guys enjoyed. I will leave the links to the sources down below. Make sure you check them out. There's definitely a bit more to watch. Thanks as always, guys, and take it easy.